Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Silent Hill to crashing on startup on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution that definitely fix your problem. So the first solution is update graphic drivers. Outdated GPU drivers can lead to compatibility issues with newer system or games causing crash. So during gameplay on startup, make sure to regularly check for update on the official site for NVIDIA. Visit NVIDIA driver download for AMD. Visit AMD driver support. How to do it? Open your graphic card control panel, search for the driver update under the driver section, install the latest version and restart your computer. Then simply launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then run the game as an administrator. Simply open up the Steam, then click on your Silent Hill 2 game, then click on the gear icon of your game, then go to your game properties. Now click on the install files. Now just click on the browse option on the top. Now here just locate your game launcher or exe file of your game, so make a right click on it and click on the properties on the last. Now just click on the compatibility. Now here just uncheck this box of compatibility mode and also uncheck this box of disable full screen optimization and check the box of administrator. Then click on apply. Now launch the game, check problem is fixed or not. If not, then check the box of disable full screen optimization and also check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Then click on the apply, then click on the OK. Now launch the game and check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution is the set compatibility mode. This setting I already show you. Now the next setting is check for modes by enhanced edition setup. Why it helps many players use the Silent Hill to enhanced edition mode, which improve graphic, sound and overall game stability. However, incorrect installation or missing files can lead to crashes. How to do it? Double check that all required mod files are installed properly from Silent Hill 2 Enhanced Edition official website. Ensure the mod is compatible with your system setup and disable any conflicting mod or overlay like Steam or Discord. Then check problem is fixed or not. Now open up the Steam, then go to your game properties. Now just here you will see the option of Steam overlay. Just turn it off if it is on. Then launch the game and then check. If your Discord is installed on your PC, then just disable the Discord overlay, then check. Now the fifth solution is lower graphics setting. Why it helps? High setting might overload it, older hardware or cause performance issues that lead to crashing. How to do it? From the in-game option menu, try lowering the resolution, anti-aliasing or other advanced settings like shadows, fog and reflection. Test each setting incrementally to see if it stabilizes the performance. Then check. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then disable integrated graphics. White Health system with both integrated and dedicated GPU may default to the integrated GPU, which is not powerful enough to run Silent Hill 2 smoothly. So go to the NVIDIA control panel or AMD in the menu 3D settings or graphic settings. Set the game always use the dedicated GPU. You can also disable the integrated GPU in your BIOS setting. Consult your motherboard manual for this setup. Then simply launch the game again, then check problem is fixed or not. This is a very effective solution. If your problem is still not fixed, then reinstall the game. Now simply uninstall the game, then reinstall the game and see this work for you or not. And I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.